This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make the best Caprese salad. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ripe, red tomatoes, preferably heirloom or vine-ripened for optimal flavor. Next, select 8 ounces of fresh mozzarella, like bocconcini or a large ball. Don't forget a generous bunch of fresh basil leaves and a good quality extra virgin olive oil. These simple, fresh components are the foundation of a truly delicious Caprese. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Carefully slice your tomatoes into 1/4-inch thick rounds for even layering. If using a large mozzarella ball, slice it to match the tomato thickness. For bocconcini, simply halve them. Gently wash your fresh basil leaves and pat them completely dry. Having all your components ready on a clean surface will make the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. It's time to assemble your beautiful Caprese salad. On your serving platter, arrange alternating slices of tomato and mozzarella. Tuck a fresh basil leaf between each slice, creating a vibrant pattern. You can arrange them in a circular fashion or in neat rows, depending on your preference. Once arranged, lightly season the entire salad with a pinch of sea salt and a few grinds of fresh black pepper. For the perfect finish, generously drizzle your Caprese salad with a high-quality extra virgin olive oil. This adds richness and brings all the flavors together. If you enjoy a touch of sweetness and tang, a balsamic glaze can be a wonderful addition. Serve your Caprese salad immediately to savor its peak freshness and vibrant flavors. Garnish with a few extra basil leaves for a final flourish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.